Hi guys, my mom just had surgery in her mouth, so she can't really smile and talk, but she's a really good cook, and she let me pick 3 of my favorite meals that we had this week, and 1 snack item, and they were really good. So go to cookswellwithothers.com, and then you'll see her recipes and do all that stuff. So first we have Flamin' Hot Cheeto nuggets. So you just crush up Flamin' Hot Cheetos and then you put them in the oven right over there, and then you get them, and that's where that is. And then the second is the Cajun butter flank steak, and if you like steak, then you would love this, because who doesn't like steak, right? Like, why? And it's really buttery and really good, and it's just awesome. And number 3 is slow cooker cheesy chicken pasta, and I love cheesy things. And if you do, then you'd like this too. And yeah, we did have some sausage in it, but I didn't eat it. But other than that, then it was really good. And the snack item is the buffalo chicken dip. You would love this also with the first one, the Flamin' Hot Cheeto chicken, because they both are pretty spicy. If you can handle a lot of spices, then you would love this. And don't forget to smash that subscribe button, comment down below if you did any of these and what you got from Saint Nick. And I'll see you next time. Bye.